Doing it again. It's really quick. Not sure what they're doing. Metal wires, man. See, floor plans, blueprints. But now, you can see some of these ceiling tiles are missing. I don't think there's anything in there yet. Nope. Film is starting. I think they'll have to do something with this. So that's just a normal ceiling. Might do wire mold or something. Not just through the hole, through the ceiling. We'll have to see. Take a look at this. Oh, that's still there, that old one. Got new ones though. Notifier. So it's going to be a notifier system. Spoiler alert. I'm going to see if I can get one of these. Well, some floors already have. Well, right here, the new one. So like I said, I'll see if I can get one of these. I'm on 5 now. Drinking fountains have been taken down. That's a bummer. But yeah, see, they have the same thing here. Alarms or detectors haven't been touched yet. And then the phone jacks and the stairways haven't been touched yet. I'll show you. Using my smart lav. But yeah, see, they haven't been touched yet. I guess we're on 6. Whichever. On my floor now. I didn't see it over there. Mine's still here. I imagine they'll be taking it out though. Probably once they swipe the panels. And then I'll see if I can get one. Especially this one since, it's on my floor, so. And here's one of the notifier modules. Again, there's, I guess they haven't put the address on yet. They haven't even said it yet, so. Doing work there. All the way down here now. Those are the floor plans like we saw at the beginning of this episode. Yeah, on 7 they're starting to put the devices in. One guy had just a metal box with the braces. You'll see it later on because I'll go up to 7 later on today. And I'll bet you the new panels are on the way. They're up. Oh, this is going to be a speaker. It's sick. Oh. Not one yet. go. Let's go down the main level. Not that one in yet, but he said that they're gonna be finishing it up tomorrow. So I'm going to have to see if I can get everything. Not everything, I should say. You know, some of the parts of this panel and everything. I might have to come down early. Here's the main floor. It's kind of crooked because they haven't gotten them off the ceiling yet. I mean the tiles. See, nothing over here yet. I think there'll be, yeah, see there's some red. We're doing the walls down here now. Oh, there's the bench. I don't know where it was when I got the mail this morning. Or this afternoon, actually. Really nice day out today. See, they haven't gotten that one up yet. You saw that just a bit ago. 1 second. There's one in the laundry room here. That speaker. Big cantilever. It's over there, I think. Oops, right there. Pull them out. Oh, I'm not going in there. No, sir. There's one there. Library. I don't know what's on the entry there. Very nice little speakers, so they're basically what they have in the apartments. There's one there. Speaker here. There's no one around here. One there. One over here. Yep. Wow, there. So now, let's go up to 7. Before we go up to 7, I forgot. One there. I think that was a sneeze. It was. We're on 7. Yeah, there. That's what I saw. Here's another one. These are the boxes I was mentioning, you know, the braces. Can't touch it. And there's one over here. One more. Excuse me. One more here. So there we go. I'm gonna end this one because I want the next one to be all about the panel and everything. So thanks for watching. Yeah, that way it won't waste time. You know what I mean. Thanks for watching. As Steve Jobs used to say, one last thing. So there we go. So the next video will be the panel, the detectors, and the testing. Thanks for watching, and if I get anything, I'll show you. Thanks for watching.